Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Is there a way we can put the windows up real quick? Okay. Just for a demo real quick. So I can get the info. Because it's so loud out there. Awesome. That's a lot of fun. Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Arzo Carter.
Okay.
I got 2 Crossfires, XT418s, Crossfire 16K, and 2 800.4s, 90 amp hours of C-Max, and a 435 amp Brand X alternator.
Brand X alternator. Very nice. Who built the box?
Drew Drone Design, Outcast Radio in Tyler, Texas.
Okay. It's a good drive.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Don't mind making it.
Yes, sir. Can I see the back real quick?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, man. Nice. Looks really good. I like you got the cross and everything. It's important. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That'll be the thumbnail right there. Thanks. Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, man, let's do it. All right. Yes, sir.
Take a picture of both of y'all.
Yeah, let me, one second. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching, man. Oh, I would love to hear it. This looks good.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming. Yeah, man.
for 2 subs with back seats.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
Appreciate it.
Really nice. And I saw you turn the lights on. I see the cross section you got. That's pretty sweet, man. On fire for the cross. Yes, sir, man. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.